Hej venner, vinker.
Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to learn how to say, but from those to whom he delegated the responsibility for organizing this scheme, came no help, in Danish. And not just that, I'll walk you through how to actually use it like a native speaker so you can speak more naturally and confidently. If you're learning Danish or just love languages, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more useful Danish phrases and grammar tips every day. Let's jump in and start learning.
Men fra dem, til hvem han uddelegerede ansvaret for at organisere denne ordning, kom der ingen hjælp, men
Means, but, pronounced.
men,
Similar to the English word. It's a coordinating conjunction indicating a contrast or exception to a previous statement.
frah,
Means, from. Pronounced.
frah,
It's a preposition indicating origin or source. It shows the help didn't come from a specific group.
dem,
Means them. Pronounced.
dem,
It's the objective plural form of the personal pronoun.
de,
They. It indicates the source of the lack of help.
til,
Means, to. Pronounced.
teel,
It's a preposition indicating direction or recipient. Here it points toward the individuals to whom the responsibility was delegated.
hvem,
Means, whom. Pronounced.
hvem,
It's a relative pronoun, introducing a subordinate clause and referring to the people who received the responsibility.
han,
Means, he. Pronounced.
han,
It's a personal pronoun referring to a male individual who delegated the responsibility.
uddelegerede,
Means, delegated. Pronounced.
uddelegerede,
With a soft
de,
sound, it's the past tense of the verb,
uddelegere,
to delegate, indicating an action of assigning responsibility.
ansvaret,
Means, the responsibility. Pronounced.
ansvaret,
It's the noun referring to the task that was entrusted to others.
for,
Means, for. Pronounced.
for,
It's a preposition indicating purpose or reason. In this context, it clarifies the purpose of the delegation.
at,
Means, to. Pronounced.
at,
It's an infinitive marker, introducing the infinitive verb.
organisere, organisere,
Means, to organize. Pronounced.
organisere,
It's the infinitive form of the verb. It explains the nature of the responsibility.
denne,
Means this. Pronounced.
denne,
It's a demonstrative pronoun, specifying the specific arrangement or scheme.
ordning,
Means, arrangement, or, scheme. Pronounced.
ordning,
It's the noun referring to the system that needed organizing.
kom,
Means, came. Pronounced.
kom,
It's the past tense of the verb,
komme,
to come. It introduces the consequence of the delegation.
der,
Means, there. Pronounced.
der,
It's an adverb indicating location or existence. Here, it indicates the lack of help.
ingen,
Means, no, or, none. Pronounced.
ingen,
It's an indefinite pronoun, denying the existence of something.
hjælp,
Means, help. Pronounced.
hjælp,
It's the noun referring to the assistance that was expected but not received. Putting it together.
men fra dem, til hvem han uddelegerede ansvaret for at organisere denne ordning, kom der ingen hjælp,
Means, but from those to whom he delegated the responsibility for organizing this scheme, came no help. Or more naturally, but no help came from those to whom he delegated the responsibility of organizing this system. If you found this helpful and want way more examples just like this, check out my book, Danish Cramming. Master 4,300 plus words with 1,900 plus sentences for fluency. It's packed with real-life sentences, smart grammar explanations, and vocabulary you'll actually use in Denmark or with native speakers. Whether you're a beginner or brushing up for advanced fluency, this book is built to get you results. There's an ebook, paperback, and even a premium hardcover version available. Whatever suits your learning style best. Just click the link in the description below to check it out on Amazon and grab your copy today. Thanks for watching.
Vi ses næste gang.